Okay, so this is an Acer which is not worth repairing, but client needs their data and they want it fixed, and they will discard it. So this one, I had a brief look at it. The keyboard, the positive cable, one of the cables is screwed. It's come off, and the problem is it turns on but no display. It works on external screen, so obviously it's a cable issue or screen issue. We're not sure. And this hinge issue is, as you can see, is kind of screwed. Okay, so let's take this out. That's that. And the Wi-Fi antennas are on this good. So let's take this screen out. This is one of the cheapest, lowest level Acer you can get. And so, pull this out. Okay. Okay, there we are. Okay. The screen is black screen, not even a backlight picture. So before I demonstrate the problem, I need to fix that battery connection. So the one of the positive lines is bent, the pin on the motherboard. That's how cheap this is. It just got bent when I just tried to push it back. And there we go. Okay, wonderful. Okay, there we go. Oh shit, you can't see. Okay, sorry. Here we go. So that pin there on the right was going all the way in. I just pushed it out a little bit. Okay. Okay, hopefully it still works. So that's okay. We'll have a look at the screen issue now. We have another screen, but one of the Wi-Fi cables is broken. So it's either we can use that or we can't use that. I'm not sure. We need to check the strength of the Wi-Fi. There we go. That's in. There we go. Power button. It's on, and there's nothing on the screen. Now this one, motherboard BIOS gets reset when this happens. So not even a backlight indicates a potentially screen is maybe fine. Could be a simple case of a LCD backlight, or maybe LCD, what do you call it? The cable for the LCD. So just to make sure that it could be that, I just don't see any physical damage. So here's another screen which has only one cable. The other one is already broken. It's what kids use, and that's what I use to play around with this oscilloscope. Here we go. Because the motherboard is exposed, I can do full playing around, trying to learn how to do triggers and other things like that. And yeah. There we go. So the other one I will get nothing. And it works on the external screen. Okay. So cross fingers that the issue is just the cable. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay. So we can maybe transfer the Wi-Fi cable. I don't want to do a repair of the Wi-Fi cable. It's less reliable than actually worth fixing. The time it takes, and those cables are really tricky. Yeah, here we go. Okay. There we go. That's what's happened. Okay. If you can see, that's come off. Okay. Yeah. Damn it. Just getting the cable. No. Okay. Okay. So that is fixed. Let's put our Australia Post high top quality tape. Okay, as a favor, let's see if we can fix their Hinge problem too. This model, if you're watching this, yeah, this model has Hinge issues. They just snap off. Normal of this design. So don't forget, this is their original screen, and we should have a Acer logo. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Slight bend there. Slight pressure there. Let's fix that at the same time. Okay. Okay. So there's a slight pressure on the top left. Could be from the damage that they had. I'm not sure. Let me just quickly check. Or is there something really touching there? Let's see. See, this tiny little thing can cause. Yep, all the cables are intact. Okay. Just double check that connection. Yep, it's still good. Okay. Okay, wonderful or not. Okay, just have to tell them be careful. Oh, jeez. Okay. One more time, test before we start to finalize this job. Okay. So let's fix this hinge at the same time for them. Okay. Okay. Yeah, great. Just make sure I'm giving him the right motherboard, not my one. My one, I think both sides are broken, yeah. Okay, so this one should boot into Windows. Touch screen will not work because we haven't connected the touch screen cable unless it's part of the LCD cable. There's another cable there. That could be the camera cable. Let me see. Okay. Wow. Okay. This model is horrible. I don't know if it's a touch screen. Is it a touch screen? Let me check. Touch digitize reassemble. Okay, no idea. Okay, let's cut the power. And let's connect this cable too. By the looks of it, yeah, so it should run through here. Because that's just way too many cables just for a camera. Okay, great. Okay, great. I've got a live meeting. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Acer I was working on yesterday. Let's quickly finalize it. Power on. Let's plug it. Yep. I think we're checking if this is the right motherboard to use the data. If it is, then we'll put it back, and that will be the end of this. I remember touch was not working. Touch is now connected. Yeah, beautiful. Yep, I can see the user information. Done. Shut down. Great. So now, wait for it to shut down gracefully. Yep, pull it out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now let's fix this guy up a little bit like this. And let's go like, so this side is okay. That side is also okay in a way, but those bits are all gone. This came in just for a screen reader, nothing else. So a little bit more. Yeah, that will be it. Just tiny amount more. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so people use glue and whatnot here, but here there's not much room at all, no gap to hold anything. Really shit. Okay. Where is the hot glue? Okay, let's try this anyway. Apparently you gotta hit the metal up so that you're bonding this metal. These are the wrong ones. Damn, the cable. Forgot that cable outside. Okay, so these two antenna wires. Cable management is bizarre. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I think that should do it. Let's see if it will work. Did I connect the battery? Press the power button? No. It looks like a different type of screw. I don't know how it got there. That's better. Yep, power on. Yeah, there is a dent. Yeah. Yeah, this side is kind of weird body. Oh, like it broke again. I think it's damaged heavily, yeah. There we go. So the middle part doesn't actually act together. The first one. It's supposed to move together. Try again. There we go. But now, look at that. It's off. What a piece of rubbish. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, we'll let it be on this one. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.